Well, hello to all of my oily explorers and oily hackers. It's Teresa Sanderson, and I'm coming to you live today with a DIY spray-on hair conditioner. I was super excited to come across this recipe a little earlier this week on the Young Living blog, and I just think it's a fantastic little recipe to share. So, what are you going to need? You are going to need some unscented, alcohol-free witch hazel. I like the Quinn's brand, and I got this on Amazon. So you'll need 3 tablespoons of that unscented, alcohol-free witch hazel. You are going to need the essential oils ylang ylang and cypress, 5 drops of each. You also need some water. And lastly, you need a 2-ounce spray bottle, okay, 2-ounce glass spray bottle. So I already have my 3 tablespoons of witch hazel in my measuring cup, so I'm going to add 5 drops of each, ylang ylang and cypress. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ylang ylang, I believe, may still be out of stock, but one of the recommendations for a substitute is geranium, so you may want to try that. And then cypress oil. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now all we need to do is mix these gently together, and I'm just going to use my handy dandy measuring spoon. So here we go. Oh, that smells wonderful already. Okay, so now that, boy, that does smell really good. Now we're going to go ahead and pour this carefully into our 2-ounce spray bottle. And 3 tablespoons, just so you know, is right at 45 mLs. And so you're going to need very little water to cap this off. So I just brought some water with me, and I'm going to pour it in here. But you'll need about another 15 mLs, because if you didn't know it, 1 ounce is 30 mLs. So here we go. Now we're going to get this together here. And you definitely want to leave enough room to attach your sprayer and not have any overflow. So there you have it. We have a nice spray-on hairspray. You definitely want to, mix it gently. And, of course, you're also going to want to apply a label. I always use my these simple little labels. They're just, I write on them. They're that easy. I just buy these straight off of Amazon, and they're quick and easy for labeling my bottles. So I have a nice little bottle of spray-on hair conditioner, and I'm just going to see what that feels like on my hand. But it does smell amazing, I'll tell you that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it doesn't feel greasy, but it smells amazing. So, DIY spray-on leave-in hair conditioner. You just kind of spritz that on your hair after a shampoo and shower and comb it on through, and you've got a nice leave-in hair conditioner. Thanks for tuning in. I will chat with you soon. Bye.